she's hitting a red ball. Now it's rolling down the slide. Red ball. Now she's hitting a brown ball. Look at it go. Brown. The orange ball is next. There it goes. Orange. Now it's the yellow ball's turn. Great. Yellow. This ball is green. Now it's rolling down as well. Green. The next ball is blue. There it goes. Blue. This ball is dark blue. Wow! Dark blue. The next ball is violet. Violet. Now she's hitting a purple ball. Done. Purple. This ball is black. Now it's rolling down as well. Black. All done. Yippee! You did great. So many